Imagine soaring over the city in a pilotless, electric-powered aircraft. Sounds like the Jetsons, right? I'm the CyberGuy. Get my free newsletter at cyberguy.com. Look at this. It's Ehang's EH216S air taxi, and it's no ordinary aircraft. These electric vertical takeoff and landing marvels can carry up to 2 passengers or 600 pounds of cargo, all while cruising at 80 miles an hour and covering distances up to 18 miles. The magic happens at the centralized command and control center, where dedicated experts monitor flight status, routes, and the weather conditions. You, the passenger, just relax and set your destination on the touchscreen inside the cabin. Forget about traditional airports and runways. These air taxis are going to take off and land vertically from flat surfaces like rooftops, parking lots, or parks. Ehang's air taxis are eco-friendly, using electric power to reduce emissions. Now, in just 2 hours, they can be fully charged, and the company claims that they have a remarkably low noise level. After years of rigorous testing, Ehang's air taxis have received airworthiness certification in China. They are the first company in the world to achieve this milestone. Are you ready to take flight in an air taxi with no pilot? What if they threw in a parachute? Let me know at cyberguy.com, where you can also get my free newsletter.